In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off two-factor authentication for your Instagram account using the Instagram application. And I'm also going to show you how to ensure that you have 100% security for your Instagram account so that your account is never ever going to get hacked. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device, but this procedure is common for both Android and Apple devices. So if you have an Apple iPhone, not a problem. You could also watch my video completely till the end. So the first thing is get hold of your phone and then you open the Instagram application. Click on your profile icon and click on the menu option to the top right here. Now you go to Accounts Center directly. So you click on this option and then you scroll down a bit, click on Password and Security. Now here you get several options, but you need to click on the second option out here under Login and Recovery, two-factor authentication. Select the account that you want to turn off two-factor authentication for, and then you're going to be directed to this page. Here, right on top, you're going to see if you already have set up two-factor authentication in the past, it is going to be on automatically, and out here it will tell you how you are going to receive a code. Is it using an authenticator app or is it using your phone number to receive the two-factor authentication code to log into your Instagram account? Okay, so if you want to turn it off, just click on this option out here and then you could go ahead and just switch this off. You get a pop-up like this, click on turn off and we're done. This is how you turn it off. Now how to turn on two-factor authentication is very simple. You just get back to the account center. You basically get back to this page, click on two-factor authentication, select the account, whatever you are comfortable with. If you're comfortable with the Authenticator app by Google, you could use that. Or if you want to just receive a code via SMS, you could select the second option. But since I find the second option more easy, I'm going to select that, click on next. And you just confirm your number and you're done. Two-factor authentication is turned on. But let me tell you one thing to ensure that maybe nobody else gets access to your account ever. What I would recommend is to add a backup method. You're going to see an option right here to the bottom. If you click on this option, Instagram is going to ask you to set up this with the Authenticator app. So you could download Google Authenticator app from the Play Store and set it up. It's very simple. So you could go to the Play Store and you could download Authenticator. Just type in Authenticator and you're going to get this option out here, Google Authenticator. Just click on that option, install it. So after it is installed, you open the application and you sign up. It's very simple and easy to sign up for the Authenticator app. After you sign up, you log in, and after you log in, you are going to come to this screen out here. You are going to see a plus sign. Just click on the plus sign and then you click on enter a setup key. Okay, once you enter that, you have to put in a code name. You can just name it Instagram. If this is your if you have multiple accounts, you could maybe name this one Instagram 1 and the next one Instagram 2 and stuffs like that. Okay, but I'm just going to keep it to Instagram and then get back to the Instagram application. Just copy this key and then paste the key out here. Keep this to time based. Okay, and click on add. Now you're going to see Instagram added out here in your list, and you are going to see a 6-digit code which typically lasts for 30 to 60 seconds. So every 30 to 60 seconds it refreshes and gives you a new code. So you could also use this as a secondary backup apart from the initial two-factor authentication that you have set up on your Instagram account. So now what's going to happen is that even if somebody has your Instagram password and they are trying to log in, they are not going to get access to your account because two-factor authentication plus the backup authentication is on. So this is going to make your account 100% safe and you are never ever going to be having any issues going further with Instagram. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value from my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.